Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So this review is for Srinivas Institute of Technology, and lot of students from Mangalore have asked to review this college, and they are looking for getting into this, right? So this college is actually the based out of Valachil area, right, in Mangalore. So this is not the Srinivas University. This is Srinivas Institute of Technology, and you can check the KCT and the Comet K here. So CET code is E144 and the Comet K is E138. I'll start with campus 2. So about this college, so this part of the same Srinivas group of colleges, and this college is located in Mangalore, as I said, and which is a beautiful coastal town in Karnataka, and distance from Bangalore is 380 kilometers, right? And this institute started in 2006, so already 10 to 15 years almost it is over, and this is spread over the campus of 15 acres and the Valachil village, which is 10 kilometers from the Mangalore city. Coming to the courses part of it, so in the undergraduate program they are for all of CSE, information science, electronics, and they have also introduced the artificial intelligence and machine learning course, as well as they have mechanical, aeronautics, marine, and the automobile engineering. So as I'm going to do exhaustive placement review here, so let's start with the placement of the previous 3 years, right? So highest salary was 7.3 lakhs, then it increased to 13-14 lakhs, in that range. Now coming to the number of offers, so 367 offers were there in 17-18, and it increased to 447 and 428 in the next 19-20 years, right, which includes BE, MTech, MBA, and MCA offers. Now this snapshot also shows the offers which are included for the last 2 years, 2021 and 2022. So if you see the last two columns, the total number of offers, job offers in 2021 was 390, and then it increased to 440. So around 440 offers are there for 2021-22, which is the current pack, which is quite decent, and the number of eligible students were 472. So the beauty is about the good number of great companies are visiting this college. For example, the one which I'm showing is the Amazon, which has picked up 6 students from this college, so which is quite good and excellent for this college. Now you see the IT companies, right? So Atos, Centel, 5 students from all the branches, CSE, information science and electronics. You see the Capgemini, mass recruiter, around 30 to 35 students. So you can see basically in this sheet itself 24 students are joining the Capgemini. Now this is the second sheet of the Capgemini. Also you see another 12 students, so around 36 to 37 students placing Capgemini is a good sign here. Now the other companies like EY, which is the top 4 consulting and accounting company in the world, right? So they have taken 9 students, as you can see in this sheet, which is good. Harman, which is basically a Samsung company, right? So Samsung group company, 7 students from this campus is also a decent placement record. And then you see Hastin, which is Deloitte company, 2 students. And then the host of IT services company, like for example you see Hexaware, around 6 students. You see Healthians, around 8 students, and you see Triple E students on the first line. Triple E, mechanical, all set of students are. Now next, Infosys is also a mass recruiter here, taking around 30 to 40 students. So you are seeing 6 students in this sheet, and this is the next sheet of Infosys. You see around 15 students, and it's a mix of all the branches, even including students from nanotechnology, electronics and communication. You see mechanical engineering student, and then information science, as well as marine engineering student, right? So all of the students are allowed to sit in the companies like Infosys. And this is another sheet of Infosys. You can see aeronautical students, and apart from that computer students obviously will be there. You see automobile students, and you see information science engineering. So Infosys allows everybody, and these are 2 more students of computer and marine branch. Now you see the students from PNP Baripas, both the computer engineer, but joining the bank, PNP Baripas bank. Another global company, Mindtree. So you are seeing 6 students, and it's now part of the L&T group. So those are all computer science and information science EC students. So now you see another global company, Entity Data. All of this ECE and the computer science student. Now there is another mass recruiter TCS around taking 30 to 40 students like Infosys, right? So you see here, 5 for 20 students on the sheet, and each of these branches are there, like ECE, like computers, like MCA, like mechanical, and it is allowing all students from every branch, including even nanotechnology. So this is also the second sheet of this, right? So you see here around 18 students or 15 students on this sheet. So this is also mass recruiter. Tech Mahindra, another good IT company services, 9 students, and they have taken again from all the branches, including MCA. And this is another Sasken, which is Bangalore based company, 1 computer science and 3 MCA students. Also, IBM visited the campus, so 1 student by IBM. Another mass recruiter, which is ECS software. So you see around, 12 students from this, and all of these are, electrical, electronics, and mechanical students. Similar electrical, electronics, and mechanical students got placed in the Karmic Design Private Limited, which is also a decent option for students. And then Sonata Software, another 3 students, computer science, electrical, and communications background. Wipro is another mass recruiter on this campus, so around 30 to 40 students. You can see students from, all of electrical, electronics, marine, and the other background, right? And then this is information science, computer science, and other mixed branches, right? So it's allowing all the IT companies allow all the students from all the branches. So please don't restrict yourself to only EC, computer, and this thing. You can take mechanical, civil, and depending on the college as the placements, right? Like SCL software, again, 2 more students. Then this for the reverser, around 5 students on the placement, which is including computer science, information science, and all other branches students should also do a computer training, and so that they are eligible to be sitting in this placements, and they are passing the exams, right, for the IT companies, right? So these are the another 9 students for Scholar company. This is another, around 15 students for Scholar company, mix of all the branches, and just not computer science related branches. So those are good opportunities. RINEC, all the mechanical students getting placed here. And this is another IntelliPat, which is around 10 to 15 students. So I'm not covered all the companies, but the major ones which are recruiting more students and good ones. So I will say it is a decent option for students of Mangalore and the other regions. Thank you for watching, and please do subscribe to this channel to get similar placement updates. Take care and bye.